Murang'a County government celebrates 60 years of independence. However, we feel that Kenya as a country should have done a better job to lift its people out of poverty. It is completely unfair to the people of the Republic of Kenya that 60 years of independence we still remain a poor country. Other countries that were at this level have now progressed better. Countries like South Korea, China, they were poorer than Kenya in 1963, but now they are 10, 20 times better than Kenya. A country like Singapore was still a poor country in 1963. It is now almost 40 times more richer than the Republic of Kenya. We have a duty, the current leadership of this country, to ensure we lift our people out of poverty as soon as possible. And that explains the kind of government that Murang'a County wishes to be. A government that cares for the unbound children, and that explains our maternal support program. A county that cares for the young children in ECDs. That explains why we have the UG program. A county that cares for the little one in ECDs. That explains why our community projects are geared towards uplifting the infrastructure of ECDs in the entire county. A county that cares for the elderly, and that explains the Kang'Ata care card that targets the elderly who have no means to pay 500 shillings to NHIF. That explains why we must be a government that cares for the farmers, and that is the rationale behind our subsidy program. Thank you.
Currently, to connect connections tagrimwe, close grimwe within Kabiti and its immediate environs.
Maema maumite o Kiharo constituency area etagwo Kabirwa Makiringa kurutetaga Maragwa Range macoka rutwa maringi ya thoko ya Kabiti.
Mai maria turanyuaga makoretwo me mai moru biu tondu makoretwo makirima na kukianda kwina andu marathambia muthanga ugakora mai macio magikinya na guku kianda ni kiunjigo githeru no tondu tutire na wiki tumoyaga tu ukamaiga makarika ukanyua.
Thukuru uyu ni ukoretwo wina thina wa mai tondu guku mai matahagwo rui rwa thabatha na rugikinya guku rukiuma kuria Aberdare rukinyaga mai magiko muno.
Wasreb ni makoretwo magitufinga makauga ino ti territory ya Muasco, ni territory ya kambuni igitwo Muswasco. Wa mbere Muswasco ti kambuni itu acha ithui kambuni itu ni Muasco, koguo turafandire Muasco tondu nio aitu. Muswasco matimoka moko-ini maitu. Wa keri matiagire marore horo wa haro, magire marore horo wa nurarehera muingi mai tondu at the end of the day batania andu mone mai.
At the center of the freedom struggle was the right to land ownership and ability of our people to live in dignity. As a tool of suppression, the colonialists concentrated our people in colonial villages that are spread across this county. About 35 such villages, symbolizing the worst form of human oppression, remain in Nyandarua. A stark reminder that the Freedom Project is far from its true actualization and realization. Working closely with the National Government Ministry of Land, we are at the final stages of surveying and titling these villages to finally bring to closure this issue of ownership. Further, I am pleased to inform that as part of urban improvement program in conjunction with the World Bank, we have embarked on a massive project, the Kenya Informal Settlement Improvement Program, KISIP, which aims at modernizing these informal settlements, among them the colonial villages. Ladies and gentlemen, one way to dignify a people and true embodiment of freedom and independence is through creating opportunities for wealth creation. Today, we hold this celebration in the town that will be home to the largest ever investment project ever undertaken in Nyandarua County, the County Aggregation Industrial Park.
Na kwanza ni kuwashukuru wale wazee wote na akina mama walifanya tukue na hii siku, na waona kadhaa wao akina wajisa sapa ambao walijitolea ili sisi tukue na huu uwezo wa kuwa tuna manage kujitawala. But Your Excellency, kuna kitu moja muhimu ningetaka tujiulize sisi wote, especially kama viongozi, wakati tuna celebrate 60 years, what is this achievement yenye tumefanya imesaidia watu wetu? Kwa sababu tukijiuliza hiyo swali itatusaidia kutia bidii.
Na amani imekuja katika Nyandarua. Kama mimi ninaposimama hapa kama deputy governor, mnajua kulikuwa na vita kule mbeleni, deputy governor na governor. Ikawa sasa ni vita ya speaker na governor. Ikawa hamujapata nafasi ya kutumikiwa na kufanyiwa kazi. Pesa zenu badala ya kufanya kazi zimerudi Nairobi. Sasa tukasema lazima tunyenyekee, tufanye kazi, tuungane pamoja. Na hivyo ndivyo tunafanya na governor. Na mimi nikiangalia mbele, tutaenda mbele kufanya kazi namna hiyo. Na ninaomba viongozi wote wa Nyandarua hii wapate nafasi na wao kujitolea. Wajitolee kabisa, tuungane. Kusiwe na mmoja wao, wengine wanyanyekeea, lakini kuwe na wengine wanaingia hapo katikati kuleta vurugu hapa Nyandarua. Mtakubali tufanye hivyo?
Nikucokeria ngatho tondu oguo turariki utwe milioni 500 cia gwaka aggregation center ATC, tuhote kurehe iganda kou, tuhote kurehe waru kou, turehe mahua maitu, turehe iria na maundu macio mangi. Ndiracokia ngatho tondu wa mbeca iria turereirwo ni thirikari ya Nairobi National Government milioni 100. Tuna 100 million ambao tumepatiwa na serikali kuu ya kutengeneza Jabini Health Center ambao tutaita Mama Mukadhi level 4 hospital. Hapo tunashukuru serikali kwa yale ambayo yamefanywa. Hiyo ingine, bwana gavana, nashukuru serikali kuu kwa kutupatia pesa za kujenga kijiji iko hapa chini. Bwana gavana, twashokia ngatho tondu andũ aya gĩcagi haha nĩ marairwo milioni makĩria ma 100 nĩ World Bank. Twatwĩkĩra gĩcagi gĩkĩ gitũ rami, twĩkĩre thitima na twĩkĩre maĩ. Koguo mwana gavana, twagũcokeria ngatho nĩ mawĩra macio mothe ũrĩkĩtie gũtũteithia twahota gũthiĩ na mbere namo.
Kila msimu wa sherehe, Januari, Krismasi, Boxing Day, holiday, tusherekee kwa kiasi, tusherekee kwa kadri, tusipitishe, tusishindane kunywa njohi, haina faida. Tusherekee, tumusifu Mungu, twende kwa makanisa, tuhoye mahoya mega, lakini tusiende kuenda kusherekea tukishindana, tutajidhuru wenyewe na tutadhuru wengine, tutaharibu usalama. Lakini hakikisho yangu kama mwenyekiti wa usalama ni kwamba usalama, tutapambana na wakora katika hii holiday. Tuhakikishe ya kwamba watu wameenda kanisani vizuri, watu wamekesha vizuri.
Merianake mareiretu anini mamenye ati
na uradu operwo fure etikana tukuona
gita deputy governor na ndirogo excellency the governor. I think what you did uria weki deputy governor uria twinake niwe
Niturahotire kuongerera kigina kia county kuma
Stephen Munania. Makofi iko wapi?
The county commissioner Mr. Mukuria, the county secretary.
No ni wali karia ya my firstborn. Then
Iyo iroraga kana kau kenda ya mami wao.
Ngai nĩ mwega hĩndĩ ciothe.
Ngona tarĩ mwanake wakwa unenehete kungira.
No njende egwete tondu nĩ mwanake wanyu. Nja cia Murang'a ciothe nĩ iranyuo cũrũ oro muthenya.
Wĩra wĩgiĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ na mĩthako na ũndũire ta waziri.
Sub county administrator haha no ũcamanagia nake harĩa thioya. Nĩ tondũ ndĩ haha ngĩ witness atĩ nĩ tondũ wa gũtũteithĩrĩria ũhoro wa gũbanga county ĩrĩa we na timu yaku mũhete thirikari itũ ya county. Atĩ tũkanda mwĩna timu yaku ya chiefs and assistant chief mũgĩtũteithĩrĩria. Nĩkĩo ũmũthĩ ũyũ otogĩkũngũyagĩra mĩaka 40 na gavana wa kerĩ wa Murang'a ũgwĩtwo ndagĩtarĩ Irungu wa Kang'Ata. Tondũ tokuga augire nĩ kuga na gwĩka akĩroga tutegũthitũkania mũndũ wa Kiru mũndũ wa Mũgongoro ũrĩa hĩndĩ ĩyo